Hello, today I'm going to make a little snack, or I guess some people call it a meal. We'll have some bacon and a poached egg on toast, and we'll make it all in my super duper LG SMART Inverter Microwave. So first thing we're going to do is get the bacon going here. Don't forget to wash your hands. If you didn't wash your hands, go do it now. You lay the bacon on there, try to keep it on the paper towel so it absorbs the grease. Now I've got a double towel on the bottom, and we'll have this double towel laying on top here. Fold it over just like that. Okay, and then we'll put that in the microwave. Okay, and now I've got the bacon in the microwave, and I found a good formula for this is about a minute for each slice of bacon, so we'll run it up to about 2 minutes here and hit the start button. And we'll be back in a minute. We've got about another 10 seconds to go. And just about there now. And I'll just show you what this looks like a second here. You see it, and you won't believe how crispy that bacon is being cooked in the microwave like that, but it's really crispy. We'll take this out and set it aside for a few minutes here. We'll get back to it shortly. And then you'll hurt anything, let it sit there and let the paper towels just absorb the grease. Okay, now the next thing we'll do is we'll take this mug here, coffee mug I guess, and we'll put half a cup of water in it. I got this water out of the refrigerator door there, so it's a little cool, I guess. I don't know if it's be considered cold, but it can be. And we'll break my egg, being very careful, trying not to bust the yolk when I put it in the water. And that was successful. And we'll put a little salt in the water here with this egg. Probably should have put it in there before I put the egg in, but I didn't, so there. And so now we're going to put this in the microwave. And hold on just a second and I'll get you over there. Getting that cup of water in the microwave there. Now I'm going to take and set this plate here on top of it. Well, a small plate, what we used to call a saucer way back then, but they don't make saucers anymore. So it's a small plate and set it on top of it. We'll shut the door. We'll cook it for a minute and 10 seconds. Hit the start button. There it goes, finally. Okay, and in the meantime, we'll put me a piece of bread in the toaster here to start getting it toasted. And we'll get the butter out. Go on top of my bread. I don't like my bread really toasted a lot. I just more like it hot, to tell you the truth. And so we'll see how everything turns out in a minute, and we're about to get there. Just a few more seconds. About 10 seconds left on the microwave. This is not the first one of these I've done today. I did have one explode on me earlier. I wish I'd had the camera going in a way, because y'all would probably like that. Take the plate off. Then the reason I like cooking it in a cup like this is you got a handle there that you can grab hold of and pick it up, and that way it's not so hot on you and everything. So let's go over here and see how it turns out. Okay, my bread's ready. I'll put my bread there. See if I can get me some, I was going to say butter, but I'll call it spread. They don't put butter on it anymore, and I don't think they even put margarine on it. They just say spread. So we'll spread some spread on it. Okay, so much for that. Now, something really comes in handy to have is a slotted spoon like this, so you drain some of the water off as you bring it up. Let me turn this around so I can see here what I'm doing. And there you can see now the egg, the white is pretty firm on that. And I really think that the yellow is still going to be pretty loose, which is what I want. So let's put it on this piece of bread here and we'll see. Take my knife, cut into it like that. Now that's pretty close to what I wanted right there. That looks pretty good to me. I'm going to sit down and eat it in just a few minutes. And that's the way we do it around the house, and I hope you do it around your house sometimes like that too. And I hope you enjoyed my little video, because I sure do enjoy making my little videos. And I want you to see how crispy this bacon is right here. Look, see that stuff just breaks right in two like that. It's just so crispy. I never would have believed it would be that crispy in the microwave with just a paper towel. But if you put paper towels on there right like that and cook it the right amount of time, it comes out just crispy like that. And so if you can, give me a thumbs up, and I sure would appreciate it if you join my little channel. And thanks again for watching, and I hope I have another one for you to see real soon now. Come back and see us. Y'all have a real good day. Goodbye.